Hey, my friends, welcome to Sid's Tips, and today we are talking about phone cases for the Google Pixel 4 XL. Appreciate a company by the name of Ghostek sent me 3 of their different versions for the Google Pixel 4 XL, so we're going to try them out. Really impressed with them. I did take them out of the boxing, and really glad to learn about these cases. There's pretty known brands that most people will use. But it's nice. I hadn't heard about them before, so I'm definitely going to be switching to one of these cases. Interesting enough, the other case, while it was protecting when I dropped my phone on many occasions, never broke the front screen. But interesting enough, if you take a look, I could put on an angle here, this whole backing here, I hit this weird spot and it just caused this like whole spider web on the back of the phone. So I thought that's kind of weird that happened, but nonetheless that it did. I'm gonna have to replace the back. So we'll go ahead and dive in now for these cases. I will put a link to each one of them. We'll dive in again a little bit more so you can really see them in action, and hopefully this video will be of help to you. If it is, please give it a thumbs up, greatly appreciate it. Also, love new subscribers, so thank you for joining the Sid's Tips community, and of course the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos as they come out. So we've got 3 versions. We've got the Exec 4, the Covert 3, and the Atomic Slim. Now all 3 cases are wireless charging capable, but they all have their own features. So we'll start one at a time. First we'll do the Exec 4, and look at this packaging. I mean, it's really sharp looking, very nice. So this pulls out, and this is a cool one. This is, again, the Executive. And let me take out the inner piece. So this is the case. Now, what's neat about this one, it has a wallet. And the wallet can hold up to 4 cards. So you can put that right on the back here, and that 4 of them should tuck in there. So you can see that. You got 4 back there. And you can also remove the wallet if you don't want it. So I can go ahead, let me see which way that goes. Oh, that's right, it pulls out on the side. So you could just slide it that way. And then you have your wallet separately. Again, this just slides right on like that. Now, if you want to do the wireless charging, you could take that off and it's wireless charging capable. And this is what the case looks like with the phone in there. So everything seems to line up perfectly, as you can see. There on the top with the microphone, the buttons seem to line up, and it looks like it would well protect the sides should you drop it. A couple of things, it does say, again, the 4-card wallet, military grade, and it's also a magnetic mount, this piece, by the way. So if you had the wallet on the back like this, so this is a magnet here, just so you can see, the magnet sticks. So you can use that if you've got like a car mount magnet in your car. Also, you can see the camera lines up perfectly as well. So that is the Exec 4. Go ahead and take the phone out. And next up, we are going to try the Covert 3. And the Covert 3, it is drop tested, non-slip grip, and these all have a limited warranty. And by the way, you could see like this one here. Actually, I should show you. So there you go. You could see the wireless charging and detachable wallet. This one shows Impact Technology there. So that shows you on for this case. And this one I do like, as I was putting them on before. This is a flexible plastic, but it looks like it's got a nice grip, and it's got that on the corners to protect your phone. This is also, again, wireless charging capable. So there you go. And you could probably see the little crack even better with the case, because the white really is showing off from the light. And that's why you got a reflection. I had to hold it on an angle. But everything seems to line up from the top, and then the buttons line up well. So you could see that turns on, turns off. The buttons, the charging port, the speakers, and it feels really good in the hand. I really like this one. And then if you want to attach something here, like a phone grip or something, you could put that on the back. With this case, that would be more of an issue, obviously, because of the wallet. But this one, not a problem. You can attach one of those phone holder things. And it really does feel good in the hand. So that is, again, the Covert 3. So nice case there. And the last but not least is the Atomic Slim. And this one also has shock absorbing technology, military standard. So you could see that there. This one is really nice one. This is drop tested and it's 12 feet drop tested. So there you go. It's non-slip grip, multi-layered. So that is that. Now we'll go ahead and take it out of the packaging. And there you go. Now this is harder plastic. And then this is definitely, as far as protection, this is definitely going to give it really, really great protection. So this is your ultimate in protection right there. And as far as the buttons, so you've got the nice silver buttons there on the side. So it looks like you have to press a little bit harder for powering that on and powering that off. So there you go. And then as far as the volume up, volume down. So there you go. It seems like you have to press a little bit harder with the buttons. You've got that lines up on top and then on the bottom. And it looks like the port is a little bit deeper here, but they have it's kind of like cut. You could see that. And then on the back, you've got your camera. And then of course, you could see the back of your phone. And here is another place with this case that you can use one of those phone holders as well. So this is going to really give you max protection. This might be good, you know, if I'm out and about like hiking, so I can use this where I know if I drop it and it'll be more rugged, where otherwise I can certainly use this case. So if I had a choice between all three of these cases, and I'm one that might be clumsier because I do drop my case or my phone, I would probably lean for the Atomic just because I see how well, and here as it mentions, it's got the shock absorbing and the military standard drop test 12 feet. The only, you know, again, the volume buttons are a little bit tougher to press, so something to consider there. But otherwise, for max protection, you definitely want to go with this case. I'm going to put the other one back in. I don't know if I'd go with the wallet for me, but that's certainly nice if you're one that doesn't want to carry, you know, a wallet, but you know, carry with your phone. That would be a great option. And of course, then you can take it off. And this is much easier with this case, pressing the buttons. Plus, you're also getting the shock protection. It just says impact technology. It doesn't, you know, have the military grade. So there you go. So it's tough. Again, this will give you max protection. This will also give you really good protection, and certainly this will as well. But again, do you want the wallet or not? If you don't want the wallet, that's a really toss up. Depends how rugged you are on how rugged you are with your phone. But hopefully this video at least will help. Again, I will put a link to all three cases. You can check them out, see which one fits best, and I'll try and answer your questions that you have for any of these cases. And to the company, thanks for sending them to me, but I will definitely be using and probably switching off between the Atomic Slim and the Covert. All right, everybody, have a great day. We'll see you on the next video. Be safe out there, and don't drop your phone because you might break the back of the screen as I did. All right, take care.